Once the flooring is complete, cover with a suitable polythene sheet, ensuring it overlaps the base section to keep the flooring clean and dry during the rest of the construction. Now it's time for the skirts. As these are UPVC skirts, simply measure the size of the base and cut them to fit. You'll need to ensure you have enough clearance for the skirt to sit level with the base, as the skirting is still too high. Mark the height and cut down to size. Now you can pre-drill the skirting and fix the base using the 45mm countersunk screws. Make sure you use UPVC cap for each screw head. Remove the protective film and then tighten all screws and close the caps. Repeat this for all skirts, measuring, cutting and fixing to the base using the 45mm countersunk screws. For the corners, measure the height of the corner piece and then cut to size. Add superglue to the corner piece and press firmly into position.